How you doing, guys? Today we have 2015 Lincoln MKZ. The customer have one key fob and I'm gonna program the second one that doesn't work. Let's start. I'm gonna connect the dongle underneath the steering column. By the way, if you like those videos, please subscribe so you can see our daily videos. I'm gonna use the Autel KM100. I'm gonna go to immobilizer. Then I'm gonna go to Lincoln Ford and then Lincoln. I'm gonna turn the ignition on in order to read the VIN, and then I'm gonna hit automatic selection and I'm gonna hit read to read the VIN number. I'm gonna hit OK. And I'm gonna hit yes. It's gonna give me all the details, the year, make and model. I'm gonna go to hot function and learn keys, and I'm gonna start the procedure. It tells me to keep the ignition on, and it's not gonna raise the old keys, and it's normal that the instrument cluster is gonna turn off and on. It tells me to close the doors. I'm gonna hit OK. It's gonna go to a security access. Whenever it finishes, it's going to tell me to put the key fob, the new key fob, in the cup holder. So now it shows me the amount of keys that there are in the memory. Alright, tells me to put the key in the slot. So the slot on this car is on this cup holder. So I'm going to move the coins over there and I'm going to leave the procs there and hit OK. And that's it. It's very nice and easy. Already registered everything. Do you want another key? I don't want to program another key, so I'm going to hit no, and it's a success. So now, if everything was done right, my remote should sound like this. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And the car starts right up. Thank you very much for watching.